Our tale commences in the year 1886, a year that marked the birth of an elixir destined to captivate the globe. John Stith Pemberton, a local pharmacist in Atlanta, concocted a peculiar syrup, a blend of coca leaves and cola nuts, its primary allure being its effervescence and delightful taste. Dispensed from a small soda fountain in the pharmacy, it quickly became a hit among the town folks. The initial response of the soda was encouraging, but the journey ahead was one marred by unexpected hurdles. A few months following the launch, Pemberton fell ill and was unable to oversee the continued production of the syrup. Sold to Atlanta businessman Asa Griggs Candler in 1887, Pemberton's vision appeared confined to premature demise. Far from surrendering to defeat, Candler recognized the potential of this unique concoction. He embarked on an audacious journey to scale the product's reach, molding Coca-Cola from a miraculous soda fountain potion into a mass-market phenomenon. It was under Candler's extraordinary vision that the syrup was transformed from a local aphotic concoction into an internationally recognized brand. A visionary and a marketing maestro, Candler employed creative advertising strategies to promote Coca-Cola. Candler introduced coupons and promotional items and ensured the drink was served in every corner of the city. He also distributed free sample tickets and sent vendors to deliver the product, creating a network of outlets for its sale. The turn of the century saw the refreshing beverage making its journey across the Atlantic, encapsulating hearts and taste buds in even the farthest corners of the globe. This uniform growth testified to the fact that Coca-Cola was more than a libation. It was a manifestation of American culture and lifestyle. With the advent of World War II, the beverage underwent some fundamental transformations. Rationing necessitated the diminishing density of sugar in the formula, a change that resulted in creating Diet Coke in 1982, a low-calorie alternative for the conscious consumer. The post-war industrialization of the 1950s and 1960s lent itself well to the beverage industry, and it was no different for the Coca-Cola Company. A burgeoning economy filled with consumers ready to embrace convenience and mass production represented a new and unprecedented level of opportunity. It was also an era that saw tremendous growth of other Coca-Cola subsidiary brands like Fanta, introduced in 1941 in response to the scarcity of Coca-Cola syrup during World War II. Another notable brand, Sprite, made its debut in 1961, marketed as a lemon-lime soda spritz. The late 1970s and 1980s witnessed a massive transformation in the beverage industry. The birth of New Coke in 1985 was symbolic of this era, embodying the pursuit for modernity and a shift towards a sweeter palate. While the new recipe was short-lived, it met with unprecedented backlash from consumers. The late 1980s and early 1990s marked a period of rejuvenation for the company, anchored by the return of the classic Coca-Cola formula under the Coca-Cola Classic banner. Profitability and growth slowly re-emerged, matched by a dramatic infusion of creativity in the company's campaigns. The 21st century saw a more sensitive Coca-Cola, one that was attuned to evolving health and wellness trends and pointedly expanding its beverage options. In 2001, the company's portfolio embraced Dasani, a bottled water brand, extending beyond traditional sugary soda offerings. The Coca-Cola Company continues its journey in the 21st century, a journey that has, time and again, reaffirmed its standing as a giant among the industry. Today, the epitaph is not just about Coca-Cola the product but Coca-Cola the company, a company that has weathered storms but emerged stronger and more resilient, a company where innovation and tradition walk hand in hand, never compromising one for the other. The Coca-Cola Company, a celebration of ordeals, one that wears its scars with dignity, a shrine that temples the unyielding human spirit and courage, efforts in every way simply a testament to resilience and perseverance. As bystanders to this magnificent saga, embracing the journey of the Coca-Cola Company with the recurring theme of resurgence throughout, we are reminded that its story isn't just a brand saga, but a chronicle of human potential, and the ceaseless quest for excellence. Our journey ends here, or rather, it does not. For in the great scheme of things, each end is merely a new beginning. As we usher in the dissipating dust of history, let us remain cognizant that our narratives too, are woven into this magical tapestry of life. Thank you for lending us your precious time, for being a part of this prodigious tale, and for inherently becoming an integral strand in the narrative of this distinguished global entity. Here's a sparkling toast to those who think they know this story, and to the countless others who do. The shared knowledge, the hidden history, and the untold stories that complete the grandeur of this narrative, embark us on a journey of knowledge, appreciation, and most importantly, validation. The Coca-Cola journey is far from being over. It continues to evolve, continuing to inspire, and most importantly, it continues to quench our thirst for a perfect blend of fun, enjoyment, and goodness. The effervescence of the Coca-Cola saga, like the bubbles in a fresh brew, does not fade, it only grows stronger, year after year. To us, Coca-Cola is more than just an innocuous sweetened, carbonated drink. It symbolizes shared moments of happiness, universal language of camaraderie, and the essence of incessant innovation. So let's all hold on to this moment, fill a glass with Coca-Cola, and make an eternal memory, to the pulse of the Coca-Cola nation, in unison with everyone who's a part of it, and partake in raising a toast to the magic that is Coca-Cola. The prominence of Coca-Cola is more than just a tale of corporate might. It stands as a tribute to the industry's unending potential for growth and its power to create profound transformation. So every time you uncap a bottle of Coca-Cola, remember, it's more than just a beverage, it's a revolution encapsulated in a bottle. As the Coca-Cola narrative continues to unfold, the world watches in anticipation. It's a tale that has transformed the global beverage industry and the lives of countless individuals. So here's to the past, the present, and the future of the Coca-Cola Company, a company that seeks to inspire, influence, and invigorate. As we draw the curtains on this celebration of Coca-Cola's illustrious history, we fulfill a promise, the promise to reveal the hidden history of the Coca-Cola Company, a humble pharmacist's endeavor that evolved into a universally recognized symbol of unity and joy. By turning the pages of this tale, by delving into this tale of tenacity and transformation, we gain not just insight but also perspective. For behind the familiar fizz and flavor, lay stories of courage and conviction. The legacy of Coca-Cola is rich, fascinating, and replete with vital lessons. As the world looks for stories of innovation, resilience, and consistent commitment to quality, few provide a better roadmap than the rise of this global beverage titan. In this exhilarating journey, we experienced humbling moments of learning, jaw-dropping instances of success, and heart-rending moments of struggle. But above all, we discovered the infinite power of human creativity and resilience, with every refreshing gulp of Coca-Cola serving as a humble reminder of this transcendent tale. So, let us raise our glasses to the sparkling history of the Coca-Cola Company, illuminating the world with its radiant spirit, quenching the appetite for transformation, and serving a refreshing sip of optimism. Here's to the deep richness of this beautifully brewed saga, symbolizing an eternal celebration of life, progress, and shared happiness. Day by day, hour by hour, moment by moment, the tale of Coca-Cola continues to unfold. As we wait in anticipation for the next chapter, let us take a moment to appreciate the inspiring journey of this global icon, with optimism, unity, and the joy of shared happiness. Together, let's mark this as just one more beginning, dancing to the effervescent rhythm of Coca-Cola's timeless saga.